1 John chapter 2, verse 16, for all that is in the world, the desires of the flesh and the desires of the eyes and the pride of life is not from the Father, but is from this world. The desires, the lusts of the flesh, the desires of the eyes, and the pride of life. None of that belongs to your heavenly Father. All of that belongs to the world. For Jesus to say, the world cannot hate you, it means that their lives, their desires, in the language of 1 John chapter 2, their lives, their desires, their actions, their priorities are really easy for the world to accept. There's nothing about them that cuts against the grain of the world. There's nothing about them and their lives and the way that they think and the way they talk and the way that they behave and the way that they do their work that makes the world uncomfortable. The world just simply can't hate you because you're just like the rest of the world. It cannot but hate me because I have something else to say. I've come with a different way of life. I've come to tell the world that its desires are evil. I've come to tell the world that it's lost in its sin. I've come to tell the world your way of life leads to death. So the world is going to hate me. Jesus tells his brothers in this moment of opposition and mockery, the world cannot hate you, and we are forced to hear the question, can Jesus say the same thing about me?